kinonfront nyo ba si Cassie Linong or kinasuhan nyo ba siya? Bakit nandyan yung pangalan nyo sa organization?
Well, unang-una po, nalaman ko lang na nandun ang aking pangalan nung nag-hearing po last time dito na sinabi ni Chairman Altenco. Pero bilang abogado and naging professor ng constitutional law, I'm familiar with the rules of the Senate. And the Senate says that in proving facts, the rules of court apply in the suppletory character.
I don't need to argue with you about
Opo,
that, Attorney.
pero
But you
ang
don't need
sinasabi
to,
ko lang po-
excuse me, sandali po. You don't need to tell the committee what the rules of the Senate
Well,
are.
I'm just
Please
citing
just
po.
answer our question. You don't
My
need to
answer
cite,
po
it's
is
not necessary.
that document is only evidence of its existence. Pero para patunayan po yung katotohanan na nakalasaad sa dokumentong yan, dapat meron pong testigo na nakakita ng ginawa yung dokumentong yan o di naman kaya testigo ng gumawa ng dokumentong yan o di naman kaya yung testigo na pumirma ng dokumentong yan.
Actually,
Pag
as
wala
I
po
said
yan,
earlier, excuse
hindi
me,
po
excuse
siya
me.
po
No,
pwede.
excuse me.
Ma'am, excuse me
No,
kasi...
excuse me, excuse me.